Hello everyone and welcome back to Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Anita, quick mean Anita espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to disassemble the e61 group head in order to overhaul it and replace some of the valves that were very worn out inside the machine. These little valves are the ones right here, the ones that you see right here. We disassembled the entire thing, remove the motion valve, deep clean it, replace the gaskets from it, replace the filter that goes from the heat exchanger into the group head. We replace the gaskets from the valve, the lever, the ones that are located right here. We also lubricate everything and deep clean it. We deep clean the one below as well. There's a lot of coffee buildup on this valve, so we definitely clean everything and replace those little gaskets as you see right here. This is the older level and the other pieces of the gasket itself. We also replace the gasket of the portafilter. This is the older one, and as you can see, it's not looking good. Like, it's no longer flexible anymore, and you can still see the shape of the portafilter for the many years of service this gasket did. So the shower screen completely clogged as well. You could barely see through it. Lot of coffee buildup. So we replace that shower screen, replace the little gaskets and the valves of the e61 group head. This scale, this machine, there was a bit of scale built up inside it, but we were able to remove as much as we could, and we just give it a good clean all around it, as the e61 group head was a little bit greasy, had a little bit of kind of greasy film around it, so we polish it and make it look a little bit pretty and clean. So starting with one shot of espresso, let's test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind series of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. It's going to be on the faster side. As you see, it just basically overfilled the entire thingy, and that's because my grind probably wasn't really fine enough. You could see that it built a little bit of crema on the top, but not as much as it should have, as if we use a more finer grind and probably tamper a bit harder. But as you see, very good extraction. Yeah, probably need a little bit more coffee to tamper harder. Really good shower flow coming out of the machine, working really great. We scale the heat exchanger as well as the boiler. Pressure of the boiler, excellent, as you can see right here. Really good steam, working really well. Excellent temperature. I'm definitely burning my hand right here. Working excellent. And as always, hot water, working great. No touching that though. So there you have it, Quick Min Anita working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.